Okay, real talk. That belly hanging over your belt? It's not just making you look older. It's literally destroying your ability to perform. Every pound of fat sitting there, working against you down there. And most guys have no idea this is happening. Here's what nobody tells you. Your belly fat isn't just sitting there doing nothing. It's actively producing chemicals that kill your testosterone, damage your blood vessels, make erections weaker or impossible. It's like carrying around a hormone factory that only makes the wrong hormones. Before we get into this, hit that like button. Drop a comment where you're watching from. Subscribe because I share this stuff every week. Listen, I get it. You're thinking belly fat and erections are separate issues. They're not. They're connected in ways that'll blow your mind. And once you understand this connection, you can fix both at the same time. Wrong approach fixes neither. Right approach fixes everything. Your waistline shrinks. Your performance comes roaring back. Energy returns. Confidence rebuilds. All from the same strategy. I'm Dr. Miller, 12 years working with men over 60. And today I'm showing you exactly how belly fat kills erections, and the simple fix that brings both back. Let's get into it. The belly fat testosterone killer, so here's what's really happening. Belly fat isn't just stored energy. It's an active organ, producing an enzyme called aromatase. And aromatase does something terrible. It converts your testosterone into estrogen. Yeah, you read that right. Your belly fat is turning you into a woman. Not literally, but hormonally. The more belly fat you carry, the more aromatase you produce. The more testosterone gets converted, the less you have left. For erections, for energy, for being a man. Think of it like this. Your body's a factory making testosterone, but there's a thief inside, stealing it as fast as it's made, converting it to estrogen. That thief is your belly fat, and it works 24/7, never takes a break. Lower testosterone means weaker erections, or none at all. Your brain sends the signal, but there's not enough testosterone to respond. The equipment won't cooperate, no matter how much you want it to. I had this patient, Tom, 68, retired postal worker, came in frustrated as hell, said nothing was working anymore, not even with pills. Tried everything, spent hundreds on supplements, 0 results. I looked at him, big belly, probably 40-inch waist. I said, Tom, that belly's killing your testosterone faster than supplements can replace it. We fix that first. Everything else follows. He's skeptical. Doc, I'm here about performance, not weight loss. I said they're the same problem. Fix one, you fix both. The inflammation blood flow problem. But it gets worse. Belly fat doesn't just kill testosterone. It creates massive inflammation throughout your entire body, especially your blood vessels. Your blood vessels need to be flexible, elastic, able to expand when needed. For erections to work, blood vessels in your penis need to expand big, fill with blood, create pressure. That's how erections happen. But inflammation makes blood vessels stiff, crusty, like old garden hoses. They can't expand anymore. Blood can't flow properly. And without blood flow, no erection. Doesn't matter how much you want it. Physics doesn't care about desire. Plus, inflammation damages something called endothelium, the inner lining of blood vessels. This lining produces nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is your erection chemical, the master switch. Without it, nothing works. Belly fat produces inflammatory chemicals constantly, called cytokines. These attack your blood vessels every single day, slowly destroying your ability to perform. Most guys don't connect the dots. They think it's just age. It's not. It's inflammation from belly fat. The insulin-erection connection, here's the part that connects everything. When you eat carbs, insulin spikes. When insulin's high, you can't burn belly fat. It's locked in storage. But here's what most guys don't know. High insulin also damages blood vessels directly, creates something called endothelial dysfunction. Your blood vessels lose ability to respond to nitric oxide signals. Even if you're making nitric oxide, blood vessels won't listen. They're broken. This is why guys over 60 can eat healthy, exercise regularly, still can't perform. Their insulin's been high for years. Decades. The damage is done. Blood vessels don't work right anymore. And guess what makes insulin worse? Belly fat. More belly fat equals more insulin resistance. More insulin resistance means higher insulin levels. Higher insulin means more blood vessel damage. And worse erections. It's all connected. Tom was eating healthy oatmeal for breakfast, with orange juice, pure sugar, spiking insulin every morning, keeping belly fat locked on, damaging blood vessels daily. No wonder nothing worked. What actually works? The performance fix, okay? Here's what you need to do. Same two-punch strategy, but now you understand why it works. For everything. First thing, drop carbs way down. Under 50 grams daily total. Why? Because lowering carbs drops insulin. Low insulin unlocks belly fat. Belly fat starts melting. Less aromatase production. More testosterone stays testosterone. Blood vessel inflammation decreases. Endothelial function improves. All from cutting carbs. One change. Multiple massive benefits. For your waistline and your performance. Second thing, stop eating so frequently. 2 meals daily. Maybe 3. Nothing between. Why? Every time you eat, insulin spikes. More insulin spikes mean more blood vessel damage, more fat storage, less testosterone. Give your body 8 hours between meals. Let insulin drop completely. Let healing happen. Blood vessels start recovering. Testosterone stops getting stolen. Belly fat actually burns. Performance starts returning. Tom, I put him on this. Breakfast was 3 eggs and bacon, or skip entirely. Lunch was steak and leafy greens. Dinner similar. 2 meals. No snacks. Under 50 grams carbs daily. Week 1 he complained. Tired. Hungry. Irritable. I said push through. Week 2, energy improving. Belly slightly smaller. Week 3, he calls me. Excited. Doc, morning wood. First time in 2 years. Scared the hell out of myself. I laughed. That's your testosterone coming back. Belly fat's releasing its grip. Week 4, down 12 pounds. Morning wood consistent. Week 8, 24 pounds down. Wife noticed the difference. Not just the belly, the performance. He said, Doc, I came in thinking I needed hormone therapy. You fixed me with bacon and eggs. How's that possible? I said, your body wanted to work. Belly fat was blocking it. We removed the block. Everything came back. The adaptation reality here's where guys fail. First 2 weeks feel rough. You're tired, cranky, maybe headaches. This is normal. Your body's switching fuel sources, from sugar to fat. Takes time. Most guys quit here. Go back to carbs. Never see the breakthrough. Never get their performance back. Stay stuck forever, thinking it's hopeless. But if you push through, week 3 everything shifts. Energy explodes. Mental clarity improves. Hunger disappears. Belly starts shrinking. And here's the big one. Morning function returns. Naturally. Without pills. Your body becomes fat burning. Testosterone preserving. Blood vessel healing. Performance restoring. All at once. Just takes commitment. And 3 weeks of adaptation. Quick safety note. If you're on diabetes or blood pressure meds, talk to your doctor first. This approach drops both fast, which is great, but meds need adjusting. Don't want levels too low. And if you're on ED medications, don't stop them, but watch what happens. You might need them less, or not at all. After a few weeks, your action plan, here's your move. Start this week. Not Monday. This week. Breakfast, eggs, bacon, avocado. Or skip it. Black coffee only. Lunch, protein and vegetables. Beef, chicken, fish. Leafy greens. Olive oil. Dinner, same thing. Bigger portion. No bread. No rice. No pasta. No potatoes. No fruit. No juice. Nothing sweet. Watch belly fat melt. Watch performance return. Both happening together. Between meals, water, black coffee, nothing else. No snacks. Let your body burn fat. Let testosterone rebuild. Let blood vessels heal. Do this 30 days. Track your waist weekly. Track morning function. You'll see both improve, week by week. And look, I know this sounds simple, but here's the thing. Your body wants to work, wants to perform. Belly fat's blocking it. Remove the block. Everything returns. I've seen guys in their 70s lose 30, 40 pounds, get off ED medications, feel 20 years younger. All from this. Less carbs, less frequent eating. That's it. You're not too old. Your equipment's not broken. You just need to remove what's blocking it. Your belly fat's the problem. Fix that. Fix everything. If this helped you, smash that like button. Comment where you're watching from. Subscribe so you don't miss more. And hey, want nighttime support? I've got video on one mineral. Brings back sleep and morning function. Watch that next. You deserve performance that works. You deserve confidence. You deserve to feel like a man. Take care of your health. I'm Dr. Miller. See you tomorrow.